the heart, seek the knowledge of the heart, as it will glow from within, and you will hear the melody of it as you change, as you grow, as you get closer to where you know and feel you should be. You will begin to add to the sequence of vibration that is happening, the sequences of vibration, the melodic formations. This will slide with you upon your new path and offer the message to the universe that your light wishes to grow, that your light wishes to encompass all that is around you, so that you may see your way forward